No matter how long you've been drawing or painting, you may struggle with creating stiff, unrealistic work. For the first time ever, the subject of movement in art is explained and demonstrated in this 4-hour drawing course, How to Draw Movement, an in-depth drawing tutorial. In this drawing demonstration, I'll take you through the entire process of creating a drawing that has dynamic movement. I'll also show you how to keep your drawing from becoming stiff and rigid, all while maintaining a high degree of realism. You will also receive a 45-minute bonus tutorial where I discuss the fundamental aspects of motion and movement in artwork and how to apply it to your own work. You will find that the concepts in this tutorial are universal, no matter what your medium or subject matter is. Learn how to draw this ever so important but rarely taught concept. Learn how to draw movement today.